What's going on, guys? This is Alex from TVape. Solid choice getting the Zeus Arc. Let's go over some quick cleaning tips to make sure you get nice tasty vapor from your unit every time. First, we're going to go over the materials you're going to need, and then we'll get into cleaning and maintenance. Before you start cleaning, make sure you have the Zeus Purified Cleaning Solution diluted 40% with water, Zeus Grime Sticks, Zeus Grime Wipes, and your flow sync tool. To clean the chamber, first remove the mouthpiece. Then grab a grime stick and snap the end, releasing the alcohol. Wipe the inside of the chamber, then the funnel. To ensure that no alcohol particles are left behind, wait a couple minutes, then turn the unit on, set it to the highest temperature setting, and let it run through 3 cycles. While that's happening, let's tackle the rest of the parts. The flow sync is the trickiest bit when cleaning your arc thoroughly. Take out your flow sync tool and push it through the vapor path at the bottom of the unit. Do not use force, as it is not required and could damage your arc. Place it on a table and lightly press down on the unit, which will push your flow sync up and into the chamber. The flow sync screen is a wear and tear part that should be replaced periodically. We recommend changing it every time you clean your air path. Otherwise, the performance and flavor of the unit deteriorates and the screen can get stuck. Then remove your multi-tool and mouthpiece and separate all of the parts. Take all these pieces and place them in a Zeus Purify mixture for about half an hour. Rinse these pieces and then towel dry. To replace the flow sync, drop it into the chamber and use your flow sync tool to lightly push it back into place. Then do the same for the flow sync screen. In case of any issue, please contact customer service. And that's it. I'm Alex for TVape TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Cheers, and as always, keep vaping.